Paano po kapag rapist ang tatay? Grade 3 pa lang ang batang babae. Nung nangyari, 30 plus years old na po siya ngayon.
daming rape.
Ako, 20 years ang prescriptive period niyan.
20.
O, teka, kailan nangyari? Baka
Nag-lapse
ilang taong
na.
kaya tumigil ng
Yun
pang-rape.
lang.
Baka
Oo.
naman sakop ng 20 years prescriptive period. Kontakin mo rin
Alamin
yan,
natin
JC.
ulit, Chief.
May
Galit
link
ako
naman.
sa rapist, ha? Oh,
Opo.
okay. Sige, JC. Ayan, ang galing-galing ni attorney,
Okay.
Nasaan na yun? May prescriptive period na lumampas yung prescriptive
Ayan,
period niya, 20 years kapag punishable by reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment. Okay? O kapag punishable by
Reclusion temporal din, 20 years din, Chief.
ilan ang period ng reclusion temporal?
12 years and 1 day to 20 years po yan,
Galing
Chief.
talaga ni Let's all watch this. Ay, nako. Ayan, pag prison correctional, ang prescriptive period ay 10
10
years. Kapag arresto mayor ay 5
5
years. Pag,
Libel or other similar offenses, 1 year
6
po.
years. 1 year.
Um,
Oral defamation, slander
6
by
months.
deed, 6
6
months.
months.
And light offenses prescribed in
2
2
months.
2 months. Ayan.
Rape.